To use WorldRemit to send money, follow these steps. Create and log into your account. Sign up on the WorldRemit website or app if you don't already have an account. Log in using your credentials. Start a new transfer. Click on the Send Money button on the homepage. Select the destination country where the recipient is located. Choose delivery method. Choose how the recipient will receive the money, such as bank deposit, transfer funds directly to their bank account, mobile money, send funds to their mobile wallet, cash pickup, the recipient can collect the cash from a local agent, airtime top-up, add credit to their mobile phone, enter recipient details, provide the recipient's information, including name, phone number, and bank details, enter amount, specify the amount to send. You will see the fees, exchange rate, and total cost. Choose payment method. Select your payment method, debit or credit card, bank transfer or mobile wallet. Confirm and pay. Review the details and confirm the transaction. WorldRemit will process your transfer. Notify recipient. Once completed, WorldRemit will notify you and your recipient via SMS or email.